This video, I'm going to show you how you can make a version of your Google Slides presentation available offline. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you'd like to go ahead and access your presentation offline or even make changes on your Google Slides presentation offline, it is pretty much simple. There are two ways you can achieve this. First, if your presentation is already open, you can just head over to this files option here. And if you click on it, you will see down here we have this option called make available offline. So if you click on it now, you have to turn it on, and you're told turn on offline to access files without internet connection. So if this is turned on, now you'll be able to access your presentation even if you are offline. Now in the second method, you can make your presentation available even before you open that particular project or presentation. To do that, go ahead and identify the project or the presentation you are working on. And for my case, I'm working on this. And to make it available offline, go ahead and click on this ellipsis and then toggle on this available offline. And you will see a mark here, meaning it is available even when you are offline. You can open it and edit it while you are offline. So that's how you can make your Google Slides presentation available offline. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.